Discover 8 online side hustle ideas for generating passive income. Greatness Capital presents to discover 8 online side hustle ideas for generating passive income. A side hustle is a small business that someone runs in addition to another, usually more stable, job, usually to make extra money. Side jobs or side gigs are other names for side hustles. About 45% of Americans, or about 40 million people, have a side job for an average of 13 hours a week. In this video, we'll give you some ideas for side jobs that you can do from home, and we'll talk about some things to think about when you're looking for the right side job for you. Here are some side businesses you can start from home while you think about the one that feels right for you. Number 8. Take online surveys. Online surveys on platforms such as Survey Junkie are one of the most common and easy-to-enter forms of supplemental income that one can pursue. The timing of your survey participation and the amount of time you devote to it is entirely up to you. You'll find a brief explanation of the survey type and a time estimate for most surveys. Although there are better ways to make extra cash online, it's not without hope. For every survey you fill out, you might receive anywhere from $1 to $20. SurveyMonkey and Swagbucks are two of the most popular websites for online surveys that you may look at if you want to start completing online surveys. Number 7. Start a blog. For many writers, starting a blog is more about providing a creative outlet than making money. It's something that authors of all skill levels can pick up and fall in love with doing. When they are first being developed, most blogs produce little money. Nevertheless, if you are consistent and dedicated, as you put out a new blog every day, your audience will expand, and with it will come an increase in the revenue flow that comes with it. Bloggers have the opportunity to earn hundreds of dollars every single month. By the use of affiliate marketing and advertising, blogs have the potential to become a source of passive income. Your blog can generate significant traffic, additional notoriety, and cash if it contains high-quality information and is presented on an appealing website. Number 6. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants can assist individuals or businesses in administrative chores such as monitoring inboxes or booking appointments. You can search for firms that are looking for a virtual assistant on standard job sites such as FlexJobs or Indeed, or you can apply for a job through a company that matches virtual assistants with businesses such as Time, etc. or Boldly. If you go via a third party to find a job, you may have less control over the number of hours you work each week and the precise hours you work. Number 5. Social media manager. Managers of social media accounts are in high demand due to the proliferation of social media platforms and the expansion of the interactive technology sector. Creating connections between a certain audience and an organization is one of the responsibilities of a social media manager. Companies often look to hire social media managers to grow their online presence and awareness of their brand, as well as to boost revenue and sales and attract new business prospects. The primary responsibility of social media managers is creating content that heavily incorporates marketing methods to attract potential customers and clients. Depending on the social requirements of a company, this line of work may be pursued exclusively online as either a full-time or part-time occupation. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends so we can keep making them, and hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this. Number 4. Proofreading. Proofreading will be one of the side hustles that are both profitable and in high demand. This is the ideal position for people who enjoy writing on their own time and have strong language and grammar skills. Editing is a more labor-intensive process than proofreading. Proofreading comes after editing in most cases because editors concentrate on changing and improving other aspects of the text. Throughout the proofreading process, you will specifically search for grammatical, spelling, and punctuation mistakes. On the surface, yes, a lot of websites can perform this function. In spite of this, firms are looking for freelance writers and proofreaders to ensure their material's quality as their online presences continue to grow. This includes the introduction of websites, blogs, and social media platforms. You can find amazing opportunities for freelance writing on sites like Upwork and Fiverr, both of which are ideal locations to hunt for good money and proofreading opportunities. Number 3. Create an online course. Creating an online course might provide you with supplemental revenue and even passive income. The educational landscape has been revolutionized by the emergence of online learning platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable, which teach virtually any imaginable skill and offer users the opportunity to gain certification upon completing their courses. These platforms provide options for promoting your courses and giving their customers a sense of security. Suppose you decide not to host your courses on a platform and sell them directly to customers. In that case, there are numerous opportunities for you to do so. Thanks to the proliferation of social media and the connections it enables you to make with your audience, creating the course and selling it digitally several times will enable you to generate passive money. To do this, you will need to sell the course. Number 2. Online tutoring and teaching English. Because of the epidemic, it is now simpler for educators to make a good living by tutoring students and teaching English online. As a result, several of the students needed additional assistance, which they were able to obtain virtually from certified specialists because to the fact that they were not in a traditional classroom setting. The fact that people from all over the world and in various time zones can participate in this side hustle makes it possible for online tutors to earn money at any time of the day or night. This is a significant advantage over other types of part-time jobs. Suppose you have a specialty in another area besides teaching English and can assist people in developing their skills in that area. In that case, online tutoring can be a wonderful alternative for you. Number 1. Start an e-commerce store. The e-commerce sector has been showing signs of expansion recently. There are many advantages to shopping at an e-commerce business, including drop shipping, user-friendly interfaces, the ability to take digital payments, the absence of traditional storefronts, and product availability around the clock. You may get an online storefront for your e-commerce store from many platforms, such as Shopify and Amazon. These platforms will also educate you on how to launch your online store, manage transactions, and create your brand, among other things. In addition, if you want to target more specific audiences, you could try Etsy and eBay or launch your own e-commerce business using site hosting services like WordPress. Importance of online side hustle ideas for generating passive income. Here are a few of the fundamental reasons why internet side hustles are important for the generation of passive income. Income diversification. Depending on a single source of income is risky. Relying on a single source of income is risky. A side hustle can help you diversify your income streams and give you an additional source of earnings. You can find side hustles online. Flexibility. Most online side hustles are flexible, which means that you can typically work on them in your spare time and from any location as long as you have an internet connection. This allows you to work around your current commitments and earn more money. Minimal obstacles to entry. Many internet side hustles take only a small investment of time or money to get started, making them easily accessible to anyone interested in supplementing their income. This indicates that you can start generating passive income without investing in your financial resources. Scalability. Certain internet side hustles can be expanded over time, allowing you to make more money without a corresponding increase in the amount of effort required of you. Skill development. Gaining new skills. Most internet side hustles entail gaining new talents that can be valuable in other aspects of life or businesses. For instance, if you want to be successful in your day job or even in launching your own company, you should understand how to develop and market digital products. This video has helped provide you with 8 ideas for an online side hustle that can help you make passive income. You may generate a constant source of passive income or earn some additional cash on the side by taking advantage of the myriad opportunities available to you online to make money. The opportunities are limitless, ranging from the production of digital goods to the launch of a blog or a channel on YouTube. Keep in mind that it will take time and effort if you want to develop a successful online side hustle, but if you have the correct mindset and a good plan, you can achieve your financial goals. Decide on a plan of action that uses your experience and the things that interest you, and get started immediately. Your part-time work may lead to a full-time position or even completely transform your life. Check out this video on your right screen to discover wealth creation tips and read the description below for insights. Take action now to enhance your knowledge on this topic. See you in the next video.